Craft is the perfect place to align everyone in your team. Daily notes allow you to keep track of projects, solve problems, and give feedback asynchronously, leaving your team free from meetings to do what they do best. To start a daily note, simply navigate to the Calendar tab on the left-hand menu and hit Create Daily Note for the day you want. We'll import a template for a daily note here that covers the basics. What was worked on yesterday? What's going to be worked on today? Any blockers or important updates? We'll fill this in for Jamal and watch as the rest of our team jump in and do the same. Now everyone can feedback on each other's work or jump in to help out on a project if they're needed. Craft allows you to be as free as you want with your notes, so you could rearrange this daily note to start with today's tasks. Or if there's a large project in the works, you can create a project-specific daily note like this one. Check out the Craft template gallery for lots more ideas for how to run daily notes or experiment with your own.